go. Are you wet?
I'm soaked. It's like walking down the street and everybody's got a hose pipe on you. It's really funny. It's really refreshing.
Oh, yeah. You're wet. Yeah, go outside.
Someone get changed.
Yeah.
And now I've got beer, look.
A beer?
A beer.
Okay.
Right. No, wash.
Hello.
Hello. Bye-bye.
He's
No,
wet,
wash
yeah?
now. Wash.
Rồi cái tao người thì sợ được. Alo rồi.
Yeah? Okay.
Don't touch him, he's wet.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm very wet. I need to
Can you
get
wring this out?
undressed before.
Can you wring it out?
Yeah, I'll do this on the balcony. I won't go in the room. I'll get undressed. Yeah, no problem. It's great because all the
Oh, slowly, yeah?
yeah, all the water is coming down the street.
It's nice.
It's like coffee all running down the road. Yeah. It's very rain, very much. I'm not.
Oh. Wait.
That was really good fun though. Really good fun. It was like, I couldn't stop laughing. It was like people standing there with hose pipes on the edge of the road, just squirting me all the time. It was really funny. And then when it came down, it really came down. It's like you had no chance. It was like really fucking just soaking you straight away. It was fun.